I'm studying 10th class, sir.
10th class చదువుతున్నాం.
Yes, sir.
You want to share your experience, ma?
Yes, sir.
Good, go ahead.
First of all, thank you for giving this beautiful opportunity to me, sir. Well, really, sir, you launched a beautiful program, Amavari, sir. Because of Amavari, you are helping all the people, sir, there who are poor, but sending their children to school, sir. Through the implementation of this scheme, many students are getting excitement and went to school and visit it, sir. The paid of 15,000 rupees will directly deposit to the mother's bank account, sir. To be frank, sir, I'm an average student in the classroom, sir. I have no special identity. I'm really shy guy. But my professor sensitized my hidden talent and started making me to speak English with American accent. He taught many tips to sound like a native speaker. He played your videos, your motivational videos, your interviews with national TVs like Bharat Today and NDTV and BBC News, world famous anchors, American Legion National Oriental Concerts, and etc., sir. We made a dip with the students of USA, sir. I'm really thankful to you, sir. A special focus on English made me an icon of English, sir. Without yourself, they wouldn't be there, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being a wonderful CM to us, sir. Thank you, sir. My name is Magana, sir.
Maya. Well spoken.
Sir, special and a warm good morning to you, sir. I'm Tejaswini of Class 8 from Jet Basic School, Bandapudi. I'm very much delighted to express my heartfelt greetings to you, sir. So, I want to share my view, sir. The AP state government is under your leadership who is taking sweeping school-level education reforms in our state under the Nadu Nedu program. Our school infrastructure are developed a lot in terms of classroom furniture, drinking water, and highly secured compound walls, well-cleaned washrooms, etc. According to the education perspective, our school supplies such as textbooks, notebooks, and Oxford Dictionary, which had now described, is also highly helpful and highly encouraging the students towards education. Availability of food at midday meals during our lunch time are highly nutritional, and supplying the medicines to prevent seasonal diseases in students as well are very essential. And under the Jagannath Vidya Kanaka Yojana that is introduced by you to brighten the future of us, under the scheme kits are distributed. This scheme kits consists of 3 pairs of uniform, 2 pairs of socks, and a pair of shoes and belt, bag, and see, sir, please, once you have a look, sir, how beautiful we are, sir. This uniform, this shoes, and this. And our school have been renovated colorfully under the Nadu Nedu program, sir. And under the Amavari program, that is also implemented by you, have helped, encouraged the parents to send their children to schools by depositing 15,000 rupees in the mother's bank account. And this also helped the students to come to schools. Coming to the last.
Relax.
Okay, sir. At last, sir, I want to thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I want to privilege this opportunity to thank you for spending your valuable time with us and also enriching your words wisdom and a small contribution to you, sir. After the bifurcation of the state, I think you have faced many financial problems. So today, I and my sister had break the kiddie bank today. So I want to help you. This is my little contribution to you, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, after I become an IAS, I earn so much money and I contribute so much bigger amount to you, sir, to develop our country, sir.
How exactly did you develop? What were the various stages?
Recently introduced language improvement program Learn Over Today helped us a lot to improve our language skills, and our English teachers, especially our professor, took great interest to improve our articulate system. He conducted special online interactions with foreign delegates and US students every weekend. This made us give a confidence on ourselves to speak at any circumstances, and that is the reason why we are very confident enough to speak under any circumstances, sir.
Explain to me your journey. How did you get here?
At the starting point, I'm not in a position to talk English well. I used to get many grammatical mistakes, and I'm not properly pronouncing any words. As our professor mentioned, that many mistakes, as our mother tongue is also influenced on our talking skills. I was a very shy guy, and I used to be talking very uglily. After our professor came to our school, he made us like this. He improved our hidden talents, and I think that's the reason why he's talking.
How did he do it?
And,
Shall I, sir?
What were the various steps?
Shall I, sir?
Yeah, Rashmi?
Actually-
Rashmi number?
Rishma, sir.
Nah, Rishma, please go ahead. No?
Actually, sir gives me homework to collect 5 sentences from whatever TV programs we watch. For example, DJD, they will perform a dance performance, and the compliments. It is also English sentence. We have to know it, and we have to bring tomorrow. And he
He gives you five
sentences
sentences
from daily use
from the
from the program what we watch daily, sir.